What's good, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another video, and we're gonna.
Hi, how are you?
We're gonna be doing some stuff to the BRZ, like you guys saw in the last video. We needed to do new fuel injectors, and we had a couple other things that we wanted to fix. So I got that new cam plate for the back of the car. If you guys know that these engines have that issue, at least in the manual ones. So I ordered the Racing cam plate.
Basically, I think the original plate doesn't seal really well.
Yeah,
so this one has like a really nice O-ring on it, and it'll like clamp on there at least.
We'll go more into detail how to do the injectors, because last time we just kind of did like a time lapse. So, you know, we'll show you guys how to do that. I went with the ID 1050X injectors, which is what the tuner recommended. So, you know, if you wanted to know, I'll leave links in the description to all this stuff.
So we don't need even, you know, the...
I dropped it.
Drop what?
This thing's...
I don't think we need to do it. See how big these injectors are?
I'm good, guys.
You grab those racks though?
Yeah, there you go.
So here we see, these are the new 1050s, and these are application specific for the BRZ. These are universal. So the big difference is size. The 1050s are much shorter because they're made to be more compact. Also, this fits in the whole cylinder itself, and it has a seal already. This one doesn't have a seal, so you would need to reuse the original like the rubber gasket inside. So this would slip in there. Remember, we had that like the rubber inside.
Still in there.
Yeah. So you have to pop that out now.
Wow, they fit in there like a glove.
It's probably buying real parts that fit.
Okay, so the new injectors are in. Just putting the bracket back on. But I get started on the passenger side.
Oh no, I just didn't tighten up. Yeah, hold on. I wasn't sure. I hope I didn't fuck it up.
Man.
Yo, you wanna watch a funny ass video?
What?
You should watch it 90 days.
Come do it. Sunday, right?
No, like it's like they know they need an inspection, but like why you gonna come last minute?
It fell.
Yeah, bogus.
Yep.
Another one.
Another one. Phew! Finally. Now we gotta remove this bad boy. should. Looking struggling there, my guy.
Sometimes I don't want to go in. Like now. Like it might not be like lined up or enough pressure on it.
Pressure test time, boys. Ready, Z?
Yeah. Turn it off. Turn it on again. Yeah, it looks good.
You can reach the cam plate like right from up here, so you don't have to really jack the car. But I've seen people jack the car. But honestly, you just do it from the top. It's so much easier.
Yeah, like you can reach it.
He can handle the Z real quick, right? I'm just gonna say this up to Rob. Yo, let's go, bro. All right, guys. So this is what the plate looks like. The OEM, at least. As you can see, they just put a whole bunch of sealer on it, and this happened here. So this is where the oil was leaking from. So highly recommend you guys, if you're having some oil leak problems, this might be the issue. I mean, it's not like a tremendous amount of oil, but you know, it's enough. It's enough to, like, you know, leak on your exhaust and stuff and burn. So just get this bad boy replaced. I'll leave a link in the description, or maybe I won't. You know.
Yeah, Bobby.
I'm not good with links. Okay, my dudes. Z's putting that RTV seal right there on the. I'll show a picture on the screen so you guys, because it's kind of hard to see right here. Where you need to put it. You just need to put a dab on the top and the bottom. So that's exactly what Z's doing right now. Leaving his fingers, putting it on the hole. She has no experience with it, so I don't know how this is going.
I hate you, Ali. Got everywhere.
Z's gonna use some premium lubrication for the seal. Don't do this at home, kids. Alright, guys, this is what the cam plate should look like. It's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can get a flash in there. It's basically just a plate, nothing fancy. You get the gist. There you go. Alright, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Humongous shout out to my boy Z for always helping me out. He's gonna be in the description. You guys wanna check out his Instagram page. But anyways, man, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comment section. This Friday we're gonna be getting the car tuned again, hopefully for the last time. And there's a couple other things that I also got to do to the car. So when we were underneath the car, we noticed that I'm probably gonna need a new oil pan because it looks like it's leaking from the back of the oil pan. I didn't show you guys that, but probably gonna need a new oil pan. Also, I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna wire up the oil temp gauge and a couple other things that I had planned. You know, oil catch can, stuff like that. So there's a couple other things that I need to do after the tune that I'll be making some more videos about. Obviously, I'm going to show you guys how much boost we make, you know, how much horsepower we make, and stuff like that. And I'll talk a little bit more about the build later on after we get dynoed. That way I can explain to you guys what I have planned for the car. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, remember to savage responsibly. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Got anything to say, Z?
Goodbye.
Later, guys.
4 in the morning, know that I'm zoned and roll up the potent, smoking the propane, mixing the potion, mixing the 20 with Henny and Remy, ballin' Rolling out finger roll, yeah, with the jelly. Vibing out, you can find me at the telly. The drugs kicking in, damn, my palms getting sweaty. Know that I'm peeking, yeah, I be speeding.